How to make loan in GoTyme Bank. So let's get started. Well, GoTyme Bank currently does not offer direct personal loans. Instead, they have partnered with PayMongo. So with PayMongo, you can have a feature which is eligible for merchants, which allow them to access flexible financing options, including loans. So to apply for a loan with GoTyme, go to the PayMongo Capital. So you need to become a PayMongo merchant. Well, you need to have a PayMongo merchant with a transactional history. Then you must check for eligibility. So PayMongo will access your eligibility for PayMongo Capital and notify you via email if you qualify for a loan. Then you might want to log into your PayMongo dashboard. Once you're eligible, log in to your PayMongo dashboard. Then navigate to the Capital tab and then find and click on the Capital tab on the sidebar. Then accept the flexible financing offer. So if you see an offer where you qualify, review the terms and accept the flexible financing option. Then lastly is the loan disbursement. So if approved, GoTyme Bank will process the loan for disbursement to your registered bank account, which typically within one business day or more.